Welcome back, guys. Now we'll proceed towards the up to the next surface option. It's very simple option. We will select the multiple surfaces just for your understanding, like this. The extrude body will be formed up to the surface which was selected earlier. I will select another taper surface. Then you will see that the extrude surface will also be in the same degree. I will make the body transparent so that you can see it clearly. The degree of the extruded body and the model surface is same. Now I will uncheck the transparent function. Now I will select another surface for your better understanding. This time selecting the opposite of the previously selected surface. See, it follows the same degree of the internal surface of the model. Now I will select the model outer surface, and the extruded body surface will match its face degree with the model selected surface. We will enable transparent function so that you guys can see it clearly. See, it has the same degree with the selected surface. Now we'll select the through all option. It is very easy option. When the outermost surface is selected, the extruded body will pass through all the surfaces before it. See, like this. We will now select the offset from surface option. In this option, the offset is made from the surface towards which the extruded body is extended. From the front plane, we will draw a circle, and by up to the surface option of extrude, we'll make a cylindrical body. Now we'll make a new plane above the top plane and draw another sketch. Now on the new plane too, we'll make a sketch that will be extruded towards the cylinder. We are making a rectangular sketch of any size. Now we'll select the extrude function and then offset from surface command. And then select the surface of the cylinder. You will see the extruded body will form the exact opposite shape of the cylinder. Let me close up so that you guys can see it more clearly. The gap between the model and the surface can be adjusted in the left side of the screen in the given dimension section. Now we will select the up to the body option of the extrude function. For this, we will draw a circle on plane 1 and then click extrude function. In the extrude function, we will select up to the body option and select the body of the model. You see that the newly formed cylinder is fully connected to the extrude model. For another function, which is midplane, we will select the same circle sketch. What midplane does, that it takes a sketch plane as reference and make extrude body on both sides of the plane. That's all from the video. I hope you guys are liking my videos. If you like my video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.